fun at camp. Sally and Sam are going away. They are going away to camp. Camp is a lot of fun. There are a lot of things to do. There are a lot of things to make. There are a lot of fun things to make. Camp is fun. At camp, Sam and Sally learn to swim. They learn how to swim fast. They learn how to look. They learn how to float. Learning to swim is a lot of fun. At camp, Sally and Sam learn how to make things.
Pardon me? Couldn't hear you.
How to make things.
Oh, thank you.
They make.
Oh, that big word is something.
Something for Mom.
For what?
For Mom. They make something for Dad. They make something for each other.
Oh, good.
At camp, Sam and Sally learn how to row a boat.
Row a boat? Mm-hmm.
They learn how to push. They learn how to pull. Rowing a boat is a lot of fun. At camp, there are a lot of things to do. Sally and Sam go for long walks. They go for long walks in the woods.
Good boy.
They sing songs. They play games.
Yeah.
Going away to camp is a lot of fun. And coming home is fun too.
Aw.
Look at.
Yeah, they're hugging their mom and their dad, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just like you do at the end of the day.
But they just threw their stuff.
They went to overnight camp. You go to day camp, right? Maybe someday you'll go to overnight camp.
What is overnight camp?
You sleep in a cabin and you stay with your friends even during the night. You can stay for a whole week.
Wow.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah, you stay there for a whole week?
Sometimes, yeah.
Wow.
Does that sound pretty fun?
No. 'Cause I'll miss you.
Oh, thank you.